Hi guys!
I can't.
Welcome back to Morgan and Jen time, where we explore. Hello, fellow citizens.
We've been actually saving our package that we got recently. Took a while for us to get, and it's kind of just been sitting on the table because we've been waiting to open it up. So
This came all the way from
the UK.
the UK.
I got you.
So we're gonna get this buddy open. Do you want to tell us what's
Yes,
inside?
I heard that there were candles from Disney World, and I didn't really know what that meant, so I went to their shop on Etsy, and the name of the company is actually Maple and Whisky. And they make regular candles that you can just burn, but they also have wax melts. They have tons and tons of different flavors that you can choose from. Scents?
Yeah.
Not flavors.
Scents.
Because you don't want to eat this. The really cool thing is that it's not typical scents that you would think.
Right.
Whatsoever.
Why?
Because some of them smell like the hotels, like the different resorts, the rides, or some of the favorite treats down at Disney.
Yes. Which, to an average person, might not sound like something fun, but to people who love Disney nerds,
Yeah.
one might say, we were wicked excited about this.
For those of you that haven't been to Disney World or aren't sure of like some of the magic behind Disney, one of the things that they do is they kind of pump smells into like whatever environment you're in. It really helps kind of set the mood and the space because they want you to be able to transition from each space. So,
For example, when you walk down Main Street USA in Magic Kingdom, as you're walking towards the castle, you pass like bakeries. They'll pipe in smells of like fresh pastries or coffee or hot dogs.
it just smells like baked goods, and that's actually one of the scents that you can get there as well.
When you ride Spaceship Earth, they actually pipe in the scent of burning Rome, which is kind of wild.
Yeah.
Really.
It was kind of hard for us to choose.
Yeah,
so
we wanted all of them.
what we decided is that like some of the food flavors
Yes.
we hadn't tried or we weren't as interested in. So some of the food flavors that were there were Tonga toast. The
It's
restaurant's
basically like really jacked up huge French toast with like something in the middle.
there. And we unfortunately haven't had it at all. So
Yeah.
And then another like
Gluten
really
allergy.
popular one is the Dole Whip. The other category was resort, and the only one there that we've actually stayed in is Art of Animation. But I think we were a little worried that, okay, how am I gonna, will I like be like, oh my god, that smells like it?
Or if you were a family that always went to stay down at Art of Animation, that smell might be so nostalgic for you.
Yeah.
But we've only stayed there once. So when we saw these guys recommended on a YouTube channel, the individuals that got them and opened them and smelled them were like, OMG, this smells exactly like that ride or that resort or what have you. So we were like so interested to see if we think they smell exactly like what we remember from the ride.
We actually got the wax melts. Wax melts?
Yep, they
because
look like these guys.
I think they were only like $6.
They were cheaper than the candles.
They were like
sure.
$4 a piece or whatever. Yeah. So we decided to do rides. I don't know what to expect. I don't know if we're gonna like open it and be like, OMG. But we're gonna do one where we kind of just open them up here, smell them, and then later we will burn them and see, you know, because sometimes they can smell differently. Why don't you choose which one you want to open up first, and we'll give it a go.
So I want to open this one, which the Etsy shop, Maple and Whisky, has called Dead Men Tell No Tales, but it's actually supposedly the scent of the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, which is kind of nostalgic for me and my family.
And I wonder if you're even going to really be able to like smell it when it's like in the packaging, or I'm so excited. Yes,
I can't tell if it actually smells like the ride.
Well,
it smells delightful.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
It doesn't like remind you of the queue?
It reminds me a little. It's funny. Every time I smelled it, I smelled something different. It smells so good.
Why
Close
am
your
I?
eyes.
I'm almost like salivating. Like I can't eat it, but I'm so excited that I'm like, I don't know what to expect.
Picture you're on the ride, right?
I'm in the boat.
You ready?
Okay, just let me smell it. Where's it at? Oh, a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like burning wood.
Almost like a campfire.
But then I get what you're saying. Like, I smelled it again.
There's almost like a mint aftershave.
No.
Almost.
What's this? This is a really weird. What's the Vicks that you like put underneath?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like Vicks and campfire, but I'm into it. I'm not mad at it.
Wait, no, I'm not done yet.
She's not done yet.
Yeah, it smells like a little bit like Vicks. Are they pumping Vicks into the ride? I pictured the scene where like the buildings are burning, but like smoke, cannon smoke.
How do you distill cannon smoke into a candle?
It's very different from gun smoke, I assure you.
According to my calculations. Which one are you gonna open?
Okay. Ooh,
I don't know.
I'm gonna do Haunted Mansion. The name of the Haunted Mansion one is Tomb Sweet Tomb.
Home Sweet Home for 999 ghouls.
No windows and no doors. Okay, here we go. I can't, like... Oh, I want to say it smells like an old house.
That would make sense for a haunted mansion.
Oh my god, but I can't, like, I can't.
This is making me so hungry, by the way. I totally agree with you. I don't know why, but I actually want to put, like, a cheeseburger in my belly.
I want to say, I took in, like, a huge whiff.
I'm sitting in the buggy. I smell old house. I smell almost like a vanilla cardamom.
Cardamom. Dingy, but I don't know how do you make the smell dingy? It doesn't smell bad, by the way. They all smell very good. They have an aspect to them that you're like, I could burn that.
Alright, so we have one final one, and this was kind of our freebie guy. And this one...
Not free. I'm sorry.
This one is called Spaceship Earth by the Etsy shop Maple and Whiskey, and it is of Spaceship Earth, which I mentioned earlier should smell like burning Rome. Wow, that smells... I can actually picture the ride on this one. That smells exactly like the ride.
Smell candles makes me
You're gonna
salivate.
really like this one. Ooh. Just so you guys know, Morgan's favorite smell in the entire world, as far as I know, is campfires. Picture you're going by all those animatronics.
Where am I at? The papyrus, right?
You ready?
Yes. Give it. Oh my god, I love it. Wait, where'd it go? Oh my gosh.
That one you can actually smell from the ride.
Because you get a very strong whiff of that. That's like one of the first scenes through the ride. You get such a strong whiff of that because I don't know what they're burning, what they're doing. Oh. My bad. Ooh, it kind of hurts my head though, just because it is so strong.
It is so strong.
All right, and we'll be back.
So we are back. It smells exactly like it did in the package.
I don't feel like it's as strong coming off as it's... No, I mean it's strong. But it's not like it's hurting my head like it was just smelling straight from the wax.
Oh, okay.
If anything, I just really, really want to get on Spaceship Earth now.
Yes.
So the only other ride off the top of my head that I remember which flavor they had was the Soarin', but they have it broken down by every single place that you soar over. Like Fiji, probably California still in there. I don't know. You're failing. Okay, let's do two different things. Which one is your favorite smell?
Oh, that's a good question.
And then two...
Yes, which one is most realistic?
Yes, so let's do favorite smell. Do a little whiff here, and do a little whiff over here. Wait, wow, I don't know which one you gave me. I'm trying to remember.
She can't even tell which one it is.
Haunted Mansion? Please don't tell me it's Pirates.
It's Pirates.
Okay.
Oh, wow, they smell very similar, because I just smelled that one. Wow, okay. At first, I actually was going to say that Dead Men Tell No Tales was my favorite, the Pirates of the Caribbean one, but I think it's Tomb Sweet Tomb.
I agree with you. So the Pirates of the Caribbean one is my favorite smell.
I said Tomb Sweet Tomb.
Oh, no, this one.
Oh,
we'll get there when we get there. When all is said and done, I'm going to have to say Spaceship Earth, probably.
Yeah. My favorite scent would have to be Tomb Sweet Tomb, the Haunted Mansion
Mine is Spaceship Earth.
However, in answering the second question, which one is the most true to the ride that I can remember?
Resembles.
Is Spaceship Earth. Coming up for our trip, I'm interested to come revisit these.
This one I know I'll put a link in the description below of Maple and Whisky's, like the different scents if you want to order some for your own. But maybe we'll do Animation Hall after we are actually staying at Art of Animation in September. Other than that, like, I love the candles. The only thing I will say is because you are buying from the UK, it took about a month, I think. A month or like 3 weeks to ship. So it took a little bit while. If you're wanting to buy it as a gift or something, I would buy way ahead of time.
Especially if you're ordering for Christmas. Definitely check them out, yes.
Alright, other than that, that will do it for us today, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys!